Are you starting a hair business or can already have one and are thinking about forming an LLC? In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of forming an LLC specifically for your hair business. Whether you're opening a salon, selling hair products, offering hair extensions, or providing mobile hairstyling services, this video is for you. Make sure to stay tuned until the end, because I'll reveal the cheapest business formation service that can help you form and set up your hair business LLC for free today. Let's get started. Why form an LLC for your hair business? Let's start by looking at some of the key reasons forming an LLC for your hair business is a smart move. Reason 1, limited liability protection. As a hair business owner, you're providing services directly to clients, which involves risks like customer disputes, property damage, or liability for injuries. Forming an LLC protects your personal assets, such as your home, car, or savings, in case your business faces legal or financial issues. Reason 2, professional credibility. An LLC adds credibility to your hair business, showing clients, suppliers, and partners that you're a serious and professional entity. This could lead to more business opportunities and larger clientele. Reason 3, tax flexibility. LLCs are flexible in how they are taxed. By default, an LLC is treated as a pass-through entity, meaning your business's income is reported on your personal tax return. As your hair business grows, you can elect to be taxed as an S-Corp to potentially reduce self-employment taxes. Reason 4, business bank account. Forming an LLC allows you to open a dedicated business bank account, which is crucial for managing your hair business's finances. Keeping your business and personal finances separate helps with taxes and bookkeeping and also adds professionalism. Steps to form an LLC for your hair business. Now, let's break down the steps you need to take to form an LLC for your hair business. Choose your LLC name. Select your state. Appoint a registered agent. File the articles of organization. Create an operating agreement. Obtain an EIN, employer identification number. Open a business bank account. Step 1, choose your LLC name. Your LLC name should reflect your hair business, whether you're providing hairstyling, selling hair extensions, or operating a salon. Make sure your name is unique and compliant with state rules by checking your state's business name search tool, usually available on the Secretary of State's website. Also, include LLC or limited liability company in the name to show that your business is legally structured. Step 2, select your state. Most hair businesses will benefit from forming their LLCs in the state where they operate. While states like New Mexico, Delaware, and Wyoming are known for being business-friendly, forming an LLC in your home state simplifies compliance and reduces extra costs. Forming your LLC in your home state simplifies compliance and avoids the hassle and costs of registering as a foreign entity. Step 3, appoint a registered agent. A registered agent is responsible for receiving legal documents and government notices on behalf of your LLC. You can serve as your own registered agent, but many hair business owners prefer using a professional service to maintain privacy and avoid missing important documents. There are affordable registered agent services that will handle this for you and ensure you stay compliant, and one of such is Northwest Registered Agent. With a registered agent service like Northwest Registered Agent, you won't be tied to a single address during business hours, giving you greater flexibility. Additionally, using a service helps avoid uncomfortable situations, such as being served legal documents in front of clients or partners. Check the description below for a link to get a discount with Northwest Registered Agent. Step 4, file the Articles of Organization. The Articles of Organization is the document that officially forms your LLC. You'll file this with your state's Secretary of State office, either online or by mail. This document will include basic details about your hair business like its name, address, and registered agent. Filing fees vary by state, typically ranging from $50 to $500. Online filing is the fastest option, often taking just a few days to process. Step 5, create an operating agreement. While not always required, an operating agreement is essential for outlining the roles and responsibilities within your LLC. It's especially useful if you have business partners or are planning to expand your hair business in the future. This document will help prevent disputes and ensure that everyone involved understands their roles. Step 6. Get an EIN, Employer Identification Number. An EIN is needed for tax purposes, hiring employees, and opening a business bank account. You can get an EIN for free by applying through the IRS website. It's a straightforward process and will give your hair business the necessary credentials to operate. Step 7. Open a business bank account. Once your LLC is formed, open a separate business bank account for your hair business. This will keep your personal and business finances separate and make it easier to track income, pay expenses, and handle taxes. To open a business bank account, you'll need your EIN, articles of organization, and operating agreement. Conclusion. Forming an LLC for your hair business is a key step toward protecting your personal assets, building credibility, and managing your finances professionally. If the steps seem complicated, you can hire a professional LLC formation service like Northwest Registered Agent to handle the paperwork for you. Keep watching as I show you how to form your LLC in under 3 minutes through Northwest. First, click the link in the description or go to startllc.co/Northwest to take advantage of the $39 LLC formation discount. Then, click on the Let's Get You Started button. Choose your business entity as LLC and select your preferred state. For example, if you choose Delaware as your preferred state, you'll notice that there are 3 types of filing option fee based on number of days for processing. Standard processed in 11 days for $110. Expedited processed in 9 days for $145. Expedited 7 days processed for $185. You can pick your preferred choice, but I would recommend the standard option to save formation costs. The Northwest Registered Agent costs $0, which saves you $200. Additionally, the filing service fee of $100 is also free, which results in a total savings of $300. Next, click the Continue button, which takes you to the Company Details tab. This is where you enter your new or existing business details, including your company/business name, address, and other relevant information. If unsure about your business purpose, simply toggle on the Use Generic Business Purpose. You can also use Northwest Registered Agents and mailing addresses as your business address, eliminating the need for a separate U.S. address. Next, click the Continue button, which takes you to the Company Management tab. Enter the management information for your LLC, including the names and addresses of your managers and their roles in the company. If you are a single-member business, leave it at 1 member and enter your name. Next, click the Continue button, which takes you to the Contact Details tab. Fill in your contact details, including your local address, phone number, and email. Then, set up your account with Northwest Registered Agent using your email and preferred password. This will allow you to access their services and have access to your personal dashboard. Next, click the Continue button, which takes you to the Business Identity tab, which is optional. It includes the following, which is free for 90 days. Domain name registration 1 free year, website hosted by Northwest, owned by you. Business email address, business phone. Personally, I wouldn't select this, but it's all up to you. Other optional items include tax ID, S Corporation election with the IRS 50, premium mail service, trademark service. If you have an SSN for the tax ID, getting an EIN will cost you $50. However, if you don't have a Social Security number, SSN, Northwest can still get an EIN for your company from the IRS, which costs $200. To save costs and get your EIN faster, I would recommend getting your EIN for free by yourself by visiting the IRS website. I'll leave the IRS website link in the description for you. Finally, once you've completed the steps, you can check out and finalize your hair business LLC formation. Congratulations! You've successfully formed your LLC. Click the link in the description to get started with forming your LLC for hair business today. If you found this process helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on building and scaling your business. If you have any questions about forming an LLC for your hair business, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your hair business.